An introduction to Primavera P6 with LogiKal. Creating a new project. To create a new project, simply click on an existing project and then click the Add button. This might be on the left or right button column. This will open up a new project wizard. There we can change the project ID and the project name. Simply click Finish and the new project is created. Adding a WBS. Here, we can now see that our new project is listed under Projects. Right-click and Open Project. We can now see the blank project, and this is shown at the top left of the screen. To create a WBS structure, simply click the project's name and then click the WBS button here. You'll see we now have WBS, Activities and Projects tabs. Again, simply click the Add button whilst on the project banner. We can then change the project WBS code and the WBS name. We make sure each time we create a WBS that we have already clicked on the top level of the WBS structure, unless you are aiming to create a new level within the WBS. Creating activities. First, select the Activities tab. We can see the WBS structure appears now. Select a WBS, then simply click the Add button to add activities. We can now change the names and codes of these activities. We can copy and paste these activities together using the Control and Shift keys, like so. We will then need to change the codes and names of the pasted activities. Changing durations and adding relationships. We can see the automatically assigned durations here and can easily change them, like so. We can then link activities by selecting them, right-clicking, and selecting Link Activities. We can now see in the information box that they are linked with finish start relationships. We can also use the information boxes to add connections individually. Highlight the activity which needs to be linked and click Assign under the Predecessor box. Then select the task to which it should be linked, in this case, Task 1. Click Assign and close the wizard. Adding a start-to-start relationship. The process is much the same as we have seen already. However, we can change the relations type to SS or start to start using the drop-down box here. Scheduling. Here we can see the Gantt chart, showing the activities as they currently are, with logic and relationships, but not in the order we want them to be in, given the durations and relations types. To update, after changing duration or relationship types, simply click the Schedule button. Adding a finish milestone. First, we make sure that we have clicked on the title of the project, or top of the WBS. Add a new activity and call it Finish. On the Information tab at the bottom, select General. Change the activity type from Task Dependent to Finish Milestone. We can then go to the Relationships tab on the information box and assign the Finish Milestone to the appropriate activities. Finally, schedule the project to see the finish milestone in place.